Assalamu alaikum, grade 10 computer science students. We will start with lesson number 16. This lesson is about questions from past papers. So in the previous lesson we have discussed some questions from the past papers, and in this lesson we will continue with some more questions. Let's start. So this is selection from October November 2018, paper 1, and you have third variant. Question number 7. David is writing a program using a high-level language. The program will be published and sold for profit. Means is writing this program to be sold to someone else. David uses an interpreter when creating the program. State 3 features of an interpreter. So you are writing a program in a high-level language and you want to translate it through interpreter. So what are 3 things that interpreter do? Let's see the answer. It is translator. Yes, it's translator program. What it do? It translate high-level language to low-level language. Executes one line at a time, means it will translate one line at a time, and it translates the source code line by line. Runs error diagnostic. If there is error in this code, it will tell you. Produces error messages to tell user location of error. If there is error, it will tell you the exact location where the error is and what type of error you can get. It can be when you violate the rule of the programming language, you write something else, you forget something. Stop execution when encounter errors. It will not run until you fix the problem. It will not run. Continuously translating when an error is fixed, and it will continue translation once the error is fixed. So you can write any 3 from it. From the exam point of view, you have to write the best answers first. Yes, and you can write one extra. If you are asked 3, you can write 1 extra, but do not write more. If you will write more extra, the examiner will not count it. So try to write the best answer first and try to write 3 at least, and you can write 1 extra as well. Let's see another part. David compiles the program. When he has completed it, explain 2 benefits of compiling the program. When you want to compile the program, what are the 2 advantages of compiling a program? So you can write 4 from this. Produces executable file. When you will compile a program, it means now you have executable file. Executable file is with .exe extension, and when you are playing a game on your smartphone, so when you click on that icon, it runs the program. Basically behind that icon is executable program. This creates smaller file size, more sellable. Program will be machine independent, means you can write a program on one computer and then you can use it on many other computers. No need for compiler to run or executable file. This means it will be quicker to run. Customers can just execute the program. Okay, so when you are compiling it, it will run the program as well. You do not need to run it separately. Source code cannot be accessed, therefore code cannot be stolen or plagiarized. Means you do not need to give the source code. You can only give the executable code, and so it means your work cannot be copied by someone else. This is another question, is from the same paper. And this is about the fetch execute cycle. Describe the role of program counter. Describe the role of program counter. So here it is. It is a register that contains address of the next instruction to be executed. Program counter having address of the next instruction that needs to be executed. We have discussed different types of registers. Go back to that video and watch again. Part B. Describe the role of memory data register. MDR. This register holds the data that is being transferred to or from memory. So this is the role of this register. A home task for you. 6 components of the one new main model for computer system and 6 descriptions are given. You have to draw a line with each component and you have to match it to its description. Call it on a piece of paper and send it to me on my WhatsApp. If you have any question regarding this lesson or the previous lessons, you can ask me, you can send your query, you can record your message, send it to me on my WhatsApp. This concludes our lesson. Thank you.